Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Ito ang mga pogi kong groomsmen. Ikakasal na ako mamaya! In 3, 2, 1! Woo! Kakasal na ako kay Sheila mamaya. Hi, man. Mamaya ka sa akin.
Baby, baby, since first we met, I knew in this heart of mine, I wanna tell you, the love we had could not be better, better right. I like my time. Baby, now that I found you, I can't let you go. I built my world around you, I need you so.
I remember praying to God, after all the heartbreaks that I've had, can He please let me meet the one? And from that, I believe He sent me an angel, and that angel is you.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you.
Carlos, Gabriel, and Sheila Dayan, invite Jesus. Invite Him not just today. Invite Jesus every moment of your married life.
I don't wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time,
Carlos, upalba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Sheila na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay. Opo, Father.
Nagkakilala kami, college kami, and I remember, lasing siya. Lagot ka tawa mo.
Hindi naman sa lasing. Nagkaano kasi kami. Parang galing birthday yan. Tapos napashot ng onte.
Tapos hinihingan niya ako ng candy. Hindi ko naman siya kilala.
Kumbaga parang dead ma lang. Pero yun yung time na parang gusto ko nang mas mapalapit sa kanya.
May Mal, may Carlos. Hindi ko alam kung anong magic ang ginawa mo. But ever since you came into my life, everything felt right.
Truth comes back and
I am so blessed to walk this journey with you. I promise to always choose you even when it's hard. I always choose you to love you kahit sa araw na magkaiba ang ating mga pananaw.
start unraveling.
I hope this helps you capture even more our best moment and our soon-to-be adventures as one. Love, Sheila. Oh! Ito na pala. Dapat pala ito na ginamit natin eh.
You have been my calm when life gets heavy, and my laughter when everything is serious. You had taught me everything I need to know at paano kong mamahalin yung sarili ko. Just how you loved me.
Truth comes.
And I thank God for this special day. Naalala mo noon, nangingi pa ako sa'yo ng candy para magpapansin sa'yo during class hours. Pero ngayon, hindi lang matamis na candy ang binigay mo, kundi ang matimis mong I do.
Mahal mahalin mo ng gusto sila at napakaswerte mo. Isentro nyo ang inyong pamilya sa pagmamahal sa Diyos.
Kahit saan ka man tumakbo, ako pa din ang finish line mo. Wow! I love you, ma. See you later, Mrs. Person.
You may now kiss the bride.
Man, I'm excited. I'm very, very excited to spend a lifetime and succeeding chapters with you. I promise to not let go of your hand whatever happens. For today, you are my husband. But we will be soulmates forever. Your loving wife, Sheila.
Pinag-pray ko talaga tong araw na to since alam ko naman marami kayong pinagdaanan. Ngayon, answered prayer talaga siya na dumating sa buhay ko.